I'm Leona from S&S, and this afternoon I'm going to show you how to do marbling or fabric marbling with the Jacquard Marbling Kit. So the Jacquard Marbling Kit has everything in it for you to use. It has the carrageenan powder which you mix with water under the instructions, which thickens the water to make it into the carrageenan bath. It has 6 different colours in there and plus full instructions. You can use a marbling comb to get a really fine effect, or you can just use a skewer or something pointed so that you can actually just draw back into it. I'm just going to use 2 colours, just the purple. So you very carefully place the colour onto the top of the bath. Now once you make the carrageenan powder up, you have to let it sit for about an hour. And then after that, you can use it. The mixture will actually last for about a month. Oh, and I think that purple one just got a bit mixed up with the bubbles, so I'll just put a little bit more on that side. Okay. Now you can use the marbling comb, but I'm just going to use the skewer on this one, and we're going to draw into it. So you can get a combed effect or a nice swirling effect. Just bringing the colours all into each other. Okay, so then just picking up the fabric, we're going to, with an assistant, pick it up and place it on top. Just make sure it's all touched the whole top of the bath, and then we'll pick it up. Oops. And we'll flip it upside down. Up the correct way, letting a little bit extra drop off, and then lay it down. As you can see, the colours are really lovely and bright. So when that's dry, you heat set with an iron and then give it a rinse. And that's your Jacquard Marbling Kit. Thank you.